I gave a talk on popcorn flow. It was actually called Exploring the Options with Popcorn Flow. And popcorn flow is a mindset or tool that was created by Claudio Peroni. And it's really about identifying problems, the impact of the problem, coming up with options that may address the problem, and then exploring those options using experiments. Popcorn flow is an acronym. So it's 7 letters, so you've got 7 rows, 7 columns in a board, and the first column is for problems and observations of that problem, and the second column is for options that relate to the problem, and then the third column is possible experiments to explore those options, and then you commit to some experiments, and the next column is ongoing, and that's experiments that are actually in progress. Then the next column is review. So you review the experiment once it's hit its review date, and you try and learn, you match up the expected outcome with the outcome that happened, and you look at what you've learned about the problem as a result of that. And then you would decide where to go next. So next is the final column. So that's the acronym, but it's popcorn flow. So you want to flow. So it's a flow of continuous experimentation to learn more about the problem. Okay, well, I wouldn't say popcorn flow competes with other tools as such. You know, it's not something to replace, although it could. But it's really about the mindset, about thinking about options and experimentation. That for me is the advantage of popcorn. That's why I love using popcorn flow. I think the 3 things I wanted people to remember from my talk was 1, focus on the problem and its impact. 2, think of options that address the problem. And 3, explore those options and converge to success. That's it.